Hello and welcome to Crypto Boy YouTube channel. Once again, I'm here with another useful video where I will guide you how you can connect your Trust wallet with Pancakeswap on your mobile phone. No matter whether you are using any decentralized exchange website like Swap, Uniswap, Shiba Swap, many more. So watch the video till the end. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video, because every day we are uploading video about crypto mining, crypto trading and all about crypto updates. So in previous video I just guide you how you can create Trust wallet account on your computer system. Here you can check how to create Trust wallet account on Windows PC. So still you did not watch the video, so make sure to watch this video and create your Trust wallet account. Then I have just uploaded video how you can download and install Trust wallet on your Windows PC. So I will give the link on description. You can watch these two video because these two video can help you in order to download and install Trust wallet on your computer system. But in this video I'm just going to show you how you can connect your Trust wallet account with decentralized exchange website using your mobile phone. No matter if you have created Trust wallet account on Windows PC, on desktop, so you can use that Trust wallet account on your mobile phone. Simply go to Play Store. If you are on iPhone, go to App Store, download Trust wallet on your mobile device and just log into your Trust wallet account. Okay, now let's jump to our mobile phone and I will show you how you can connect your Trust wallet. Even I will guide you how you can transfer assets from Binance to your Trust wallet. So let's jump to our mobile phone. Here you can see we are on our Trust wallet on our mobile phone. First of all, we are going to transfer assets from our Binance exchange, Coinbase or any other exchange website. Suppose I want to transfer Binance coin from Binance exchange to my Trust wallet. Simply click on Binance. Then here you will find four options: send, receive, copy and more. And now as you know, we are going to receive BNB coin, so we are going to click on receive. Then click on copy in order to copy the Binance Trust wallet address. Now go back to your Binance account, click on wallet. Now click on withdraw option. From here you can search BNB and then click on it. Now paste the address that you have copied from your Trust wallet. Simply just hold it here, then click on paste. Now select the amount of BNB that you want to transfer from Binance to your Trust wallet account. In here, suppose I want to transfer 1 BNB or 2 BNB, because for now I don't have BNB because I stack my BNB on Binance stacking category. For just simply I will click on maximum, because for now I have just this much BNB coin. So the process is same. Simply select from here the amount of BNB, then click on withdraw option. Once you click on withdraw option, then complete the verification code, like security verification. Once you complete that, then you will get your BNB coin on your Trust wallet account from here. As you know, for now I don't have BNB coin. So once you transfer your BNB from Binance or any other exchange website to your Trust wallet, then you will get BNB coin in here. So once you get BNB coin, once you transfer assets from exchange website to your Trust wallet account, then the second step is how you can connect your Trust wallet with Pancakeswap or any other decentralized exchange website. And the second option is decentralized applications. In here you will find all the decentralized applications like Moonport, Dodo, Air NFTs, SushiSwap, BiFi Finance, Pancakeswap, Uniswap exchange. All the exchange websites are here. So as you know, we are going to we are going to connect our Trust wallet with Pancakeswap. From here you can type the link or type the name of decentralized exchange like Pancakeswap, or simply you can click from here, scroll down, click on Pancakeswap. Once you come to Pancakeswap.finance homepage, now you need to connect your Trust Wallet with Pancakeswap decentralized exchange website. Simply click on Connect Wallet, click on Trust Wallet. Now your Trust Wallet is connected with your Pancakeswap decentralized exchange website. As you know, for now I don't have any assets in my Pancakeswap and I haven't transferred any assets to my Trust Wallet. But if you have any assets, if you have any cryptocurrency on your Trust Wallet, then here you will get all the balance. As you can see, my balance is 0. But if you have any assets, then for sure you will find in here. Okay, once you transfer any assets to your Trust Wallet like Binance, then you can swap any token. You can buy any token on your Pancakeswap using your Trust Wallet. You can sell any token on Pancakeswap using your Trust Wallet. You can do everything with your Trust Wallet on your Pancakeswap. So this is the easiest method how you can transfer, how you can connect your Trust Wallet with Pancakeswap decentralized exchange. So this was the easiest method how you can connect your Trust Wallet with Pancakeswap using your mobile phone. If you have any problem or confusion, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Never hesitate to like this video, comment your idea in the comment section, share this video with your all friends. And still you did not subscribe to this channel, so make sure to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.